Greetings, thanks for joining me. It's official, I am now a clothing dye junkie. I did my first clothing dye trial run with Petal Pink by Rit on 2 items. I was really happy with, no, not this top, no. This is from Abercrombie & Fitch, and it came this lovely shade of pink. But get this, with Petal Pink by Rit, one of my sweaters that I wanted to dye ended up coming out the exact same shade of pink. It was a very pale shade of pink when I first bought it. And then for years, I was washing it in hot water. It faded completely. It was practically an off-white. So I dyed it back to pink. This is a darker shade of pink than it was originally. And look, it ended up the exact same shade of pink as my Abercrombie & Fitch top. I also dyed my white button-up shirt that I never wore. Petal Pink by Rit. That's what you end up with on a white cotton button-up shirt. So it depends on the fabric. My sweater, exact same color. This cotton shirt, slightly darker. It's interesting how the different fabrics take the dye. I plan on dyeing a couple more items Petal Pink. I'm gonna come back and show you how those turn out as well. Hopefully I'll have as much success as I did with these first 2 items. Fingers crossed. 75% nylon, 25% rayon from bamboo. This is how it takes Petal Pink. So again, this dyed it this, which I'm really happy with. Because I didn't want everything to come out the exact same shade of Petal Pink. I would have 4 items that are the exact same Petal Pink, which is a little overkill for my closet. So I'm happy that this one came out darker. I think this is cotton, I'm not sure. This was a hand-me-down from Meredith. And this was just cream color. You know, one step up from white. It was cream, it was very light. This is from J. Crew. And yeah, 100% cotton. So a 100% cotton, it's just a hoodie. Let's see, can you see it? It's almost like a robe, but it's like a sweater or a house sweater or a house robe. I don't know what you would call it. I had such good luck with this that now look out, I'm a dying monster now. I'm going crazy. I'm just literally going through my closet going, ooh, can I dye that? Ooh, what about that? Can I dye that? See, this is so much more fun than like barely blush pink and cream and white. And this used to be a pale pink, and then it was faded to almost nothing, almost just a cream color. And now it's a nice petal pink again. Look at it. Now I'm just ensconced in pink fabulousness. I feel so girly. I'm always girly. Who am I kidding? I'm a girly girl. But now, I got pink. Woohoo! Who knew?